Hi, I'm JJ, and welcome back. Setting up user groups and permissions in your Softr app helps you control who can access what information. Whether you're building a client portal, an internal tool, or any other business application, you can group users by shared needs and set permissions to define exactly what they see and how they interact with your data. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how to set up user groups to restrict access to certain pages or blocks, how to control which record users can read, edit, create, or delete, how to use conditional filters to filter data dynamically, how to configure data restrictions for your user at an application level. Let's dive in and learn how to build a secure, personalized experience for your app users. User groups are at the core of Softr's permission system. They let you organize users based on their access needs and are the foundation for applying visibility and access rules throughout your application. Softr provides the following types of user groups. Default user groups, which are non-logged in users. Users who access the app without logging in are automatically placed in this group. This is ideal for public-facing content such as landing pages or public directories. Now, logged in users is any user who logs into your app is part of this group. You can use this to gate content and actions exclusively for authenticated users. Or custom user groups. You can define your own custom user groups, which lets you set detailed access rules for specific subsets of logged in users, like clients or employees. You can make these groups either dynamic or static, and they are only available on a professional, business, and enterprise plans. Dynamic user groups, defined by rules based on your user's attributes or subscription tiers. When logging in, users who meet those criteria are automatically added to that group. Static user groups are defined by manually adding users to that group with no dynamic rules involved. Now that we understand how user groups work, let's discuss the different types of permissions that you can configure. In Softr, you can set up permissions at two levels, the UI elements level and the data level. UI element visibility controls which pages, blocks, and action each user group can see. Data permissions define which records or data subsets users can access within a block. To confirm page visibility, navigate to the Pages area, select a page, and go to Visibility Settings. Choose which user groups can access that page. To confirm block visibility, select a block, such as your grid block, and open the Visibility tab. Choose which user groups can see this block. By setting up these visibility rules, you can create a powerful user experience, ensuring that only users with access can see relevant data. Beyond visibility rules, data permissions let you control which records users can see or interact with. You can apply these permissions at the block, action, or app level. Action visibility, aka permissions, allow you to set action visibility with user groups to control who can interact with buttons like add record or update record. You can also use conditional rules to show or hide actions based on custom criteria. For example, only the events that happen within the next 7 days will show within this list block. Now, let's move on to conditional filters. Conditional filters let you filter data for each logged in user by applying user-based conditions or other record information. For example, users can see only records tied to their email to show projects assigned to this user. To use conditional filters, select a block on your page, click on the Source tab, and then scroll down to Conditional Filters. Create filters that work for your user experience. For example, the assignee equals logged in user's email. Now, only users will see tasks assigned to them. For deeper security, global data restrictions let you define restriction rules for who can view, create, edit, or delete data at an application level. You only need to define them once, and they automatically apply to all blocks, ensuring consistent access control and preventing accidental data exposure. Now, there are two types of global data restrictions. Record level, which manages visibility or editing rights for entire record. Or the field level, which is coming soon and not yet available, but it will restrict access to specific fields within a record for certain users. To add data restrictions in your application, go to the Users area, then click on Data Restrictions tab. Once there, you can define rules for specific user groups. For example, in a client portal, apply a view restriction so clients can see only their project data. By matching records to the logged in user's email, you ensure a private and secure experience where users cannot access data belonging to other projects. Once your permissions and visibility settings are in place, you need to test them out. For this, click Preview in the top right corner. Use the drop down in the top left menu to select a user to preview the app as. Make sure you test a user in different user groups, so pick one that is an employee user and one that is an admin user. Then navigate through your app and confirm that app pages, blocks, and actions are correctly restricted or showing for each user group. Great work. You've just set up user groups, visibility rules, and data permissions to make your app secure and personalized. With these tools, you'll control who sees what and ensures users only interact with the data meant for them. In the next lesson, we'll focus on publishing your application, connecting a custom domain, optimizing for SEO, and launching your app to the world with confidence. Until then, test your permissions and refine your app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in lesson 7.